How to succeed in your exams. No matter how prepared you are, exams are stressful, but there's plenty you can do to be thoroughly prepared. Planning and revision. Make sure you understand how you learn best. That could be by creating thematic notes, writing practice essays, or answering old exam papers. Structure a timetable outlining the topics you'll need, the tools you'll use, and the time you'll put aside each day. If there are topics that you really don't understand, don't be afraid to go and talk to your lecturer. Research says that we can only really focus for around 18 minutes, so after that time has passed, take a quick break. The exam. It has been proved that cramming raises stress levels and makes concentrating harder. Instead, spend the evening before the exam relaxing and you'll be in a better frame of mind. On the day, make sure you are fully prepared. Take spare pens in case you run out of ink. Concentrate on recent successes. If you're allowed to take notes into the exam, make sure that they are carefully marked so you don't waste time looking for particular points, names or dates. In an exam, the first thing to do is to ask questions of the exam itself. Which questions do you feel most confident about? Which is going to be the hardest, or which has the highest percentage of marks? How much time should you assign to each question? Read the question carefully and consider your answer, or if potential answers are provided, consider each of them carefully before choosing. For essay questions, look for keywords that will give you a clue as to how you're expected to answer, and jot down ideas before beginning. Stress and well-being. During exam season, being compassionate to yourself is more essential than ever. Sometimes you just need to rest and be kind to yourself. In the long run, it will help you. Exams are a big part of life for many students. Learning to prepare well and master your nerves are the biggest keys to succeeding in your exams.